Welcome friends, welcome to Unboxing in English. Today we are going to unboxing this great BPL oximeter, and keep in mind this is a English translated video of Hindi version. Now we are going to unboxing this BPL oximeter that cost you around, we're gonna tell you in the end of this video. First of all, we're gonna explain you about the box that showing that a finger pulse oximeter that can measure your blood oxygen along with your heartbeats, and it has a with perfusion index. As you can see in the left corner, you can check out the perfusion too. Now this is a BPL home care product that can be used at home. That's not be mainly for medical purpose, that can be used but not for mainly for using there. This is just a sort of a home based product that you can use on there. And in the other side of the box you can check out the details regarding this device, that measuring range of this product, that how bpm can you check out, and oxygen and spo2 levels into your blood. It's it's printed 280 in the box package at India. If you're buying it worldwide, you can check out the description. Now we are opening the box, and as you can see, in the front part of the box you see a form that is for security of this box. Now when we enter into it, we find a long strap for hanging it into any khunti or on your neck. Yes, usually you can tie in on your neck, and this is a removable string over there, or you can call it a strap. Now access to the main unit, and first of all we find two AAA cells, pencil size cells. These are available along with the product. And now the main product, and the main product we are placing in a side, and now we are checking what is left in the box. Now in the end we find a user guide or user manual along with the box. Now as you can see, this is a long user manual, and if you want to read this user manual you can pause the video and you can read it easily. I'm going to placing it in high quality. Now pause and watch from front side, and if you want to check out from other side, then just pause over here and check out this. Hope you check out the bpl user machine user. Now we are rushing to the main unit, that is bpl oximeter. As you can see over here, I placed a sticker over there, and it has nothing more special on this, just a serial number and few details about the company that you can easily contact to customer cares. Now in the other side you will find a mini tiny screen over there, and branding of the company bpl, and along with the model number. Now we are going to opening this compartment, backside compartment, for adding, I mean insert, for inserting the AAA cells, AAA batteries. In these batteries, not too much of juice over there. Now I'm now closing the door. It's take a little bit of pressure over there. Now I'm going to checking out by pressing button. It's saying branding and finger is out, and it's really finger is out. I'm gonna insert my finger over there to check out this. I'm going to pressing it, and I want to check the details, how it measure my blood oxygen level. Now I'm gonna insert my finger over there and gonna press that button. Okay, I'm from other side, that it will be okay. Now it's showing bpl, and now it started with perfusion, and my oxygen level, heartbeats are okay. Now are the results. Okay, My oxygen level is 98%, 97, 98, and my beats are almost 80, 86, 85, and it's I think okay. Okay, I'm taking my finger out and inserting again, and you, as you can see, it's started measuring again. Now rot- whichever orientation you want to check out the result, you can easily do so. It has a gravity sensor that's it work on their screen, that if you move your finger from other side to other side, you will feel that display has changed their orientation. As you can see in front of you, it started beeping over there, and that's beep means its battery is very low. As you can see, its battery is low, and I'm already told you that batteries are not up to the mark. So as you can see, it's showing battery is low. Now I'm going to inserting the main batteries and using it. It's working perfect, and hope you like this video. It's unboxing. If you want to buy this product, the link is given in the description. You can buy from over there. In India, it's cost you around 999 to 1200 rupees, and if you buy outside the India, I mean worldwide, it costs you around 12 13 to $15 each. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. This was the translated version of Hindi unboxing videos.